Hi from the other side. This is Alisa Crimaldi here at Heritage Landing, showcasing our awesome listing, Unit 331. Let's go take a look. This unit is located in Building 3, and right off the bat I want to show you the best thing, which is, boom, right there is the satellite pool. So we're going to go take a look. If you look at the outside of the building, it is that one up there. So it's the top floor end unit. Nobody's above you, nobody's beside you. So it's on the 3rd floor, but the Carolinas only go up to the 3rd floor. So you can see I am going to take the elevator, but there is a stairwell over there and a stairwell over there. So if you want to get your steps in, plenty of ways to do that. So as we go through the center of the building, here's the elevator, but before we pop into there, just want to show you this. Here's your mail kiosk, so it's nice and central in the building. So now let's go take a look. All right, so here we are on the 3rd floor. Before we go over, I just want to give you a quick aerial of where we're at. So that's that satellite pool I was just telling you about. You can see there's lots of overflow parking in front of the pool, and also over in the distance beyond the carports, there's a lot of overflow parking. So you can see the way these buildings are set up. It's nice because you're in a covered breezeway, so you always get a nice breeze. And here's that stairwell I was telling you about. So the terrace condos also come with a storage closet. So before we go in, we'll just take a quick glance at this. Really nice. It's a good size. And you can see the hot water heater is in here too. So if there's a leak, it's gonna happen out here instead of inside the unit. Here we are at the actual unit. Before I go in, I wanted to point out, see this space right here at the entrance? Sometimes people screen that in. So you can do that. And then that creates an additional little outdoor screened area. So when people have pets or they just like to have that cross breeze, it's on the Carolina, that's a pretty large space. So it's a nice addition. Here we are on the inside, beautifully decorated. This particular home is not being offered furnished, but they do know where they got all this stuff. So if you need some inspiration or referrals, they can definitely help you out there. Here I am in the 1st bedroom. Again, just to show the proximity, you can see right over there, everybody's having a good time at the pool. So we're really close. But this is our 1st guest bedroom. These owners did a lot of improvements because it was their intention to stay here. So really nice custom paint. You'll see some more improvements in a minute. Really pretty, very, very well laid out. The Carolina offers this nice ensuite bathroom that also serves as the guest bathroom. So that's really nice because you have direct access to this bedroom. You've also got dual sinks, so if you've got some guests in town, then that's really nice. This door is the laundry. So nice big laundry room. And of course the linen closet. So the Carolina gives you a lot of extra space. You're picking up an extra bedroom. It's an end unit, so you have that natural sunlight on the side that we're about to see. So over there it's nice and bright. And since we are in the top floor, one thing to look at is, look at how high the ceilings are. So on the lower floors, this dips down, as well as in some of the other areas in the condo because it's hiding the AC ducts. So now here in the top floor, all that's up above us in their attic. So it's nice, big, tall ceiling. So everybody always loves these top floor units because of that. You can see they did a nice custom mirror over there. All the custom lighting, really high-end fans. You've got the crown molding. The white shaker cabinets. ornamental white granite, all of that. So well put together. So this is the master. You can see, you can enjoy that gorgeous view from the bed. The Carolina also offers his and hers closets. So some of the lanai furniture is stored in here right now, just because keep it out of the weather while they're away, but looks really nice. And then you've got another linen closet here. And a nice big walk-in shower. And of course here you've got a pocket door, so nice space saver. Here we are again. This floor plan is great for entertaining. It has a nice flow. And here's what everybody wants. So look at this view. So we're on the top floor. It's the end unit. This is the 3rd floor. So what you're looking at over there is the 11th fairway. Then you're sitting over here, see how you can, how that all just extends. And then that tree line in the distance is a preserve. So that view shouldn't change. This home does come with a golf course membership. So you will have your full membership to all the amenities, including golf. And unlike the few remaining buildings over there, these have golf and lake views, whereas those don't. So Lennar is currently, they're now sold out of terrace condos with golf. So if you're a golfer and you want a condo, here we go. So if you have any questions about this or any of the other homes here at Heritage Landing or anywhere in Southwest Florida, don't forget to always ask for Alisa.